guys, so I'm going to show you how to use a Google Drawing if you haven't already done so. So you're in the quiz, you're going to go ahead, read through your instructions, open link, make a copy, add your 3 interests from the previous question, add your name in the name text box, use a webcam on your Chromebook to take a picture of yourself, add it to the Google Drawing. There's a little tutorial if you need help taking a picture with a webcam, and then be creative. So I'm going to show you the be creative part. So we're going to go ahead, open up Google Drawing. It's going to ask, do you want to make a copy? Yes, I do want to make a copy. So now you have your own copy of this in your Google Drive. Whenever you get a new Google Doc, slide, drawing, anything like that, just double check that it has the title that you want. I don't want it to say copy of. I'm going to say present yourself as a scientist. I might even add my own name. So Miss Coleman. And so I'm going to follow the instructions over on this tab. So it says, add your 3 interests from the previous question in the text box. So you figured out what your favorite 3 interests or 3 of your favorite interests. So for me, I'm going to say astronomy. I'm going to say chemistry. And I'm going to say, let's be more specific than earth science, paleontology. All right, the next thing I have to do is add my name. So up the top, I'm going to say Miss Coleman. And I can adjust that however I want if I want to make that a little bigger so it fits my whole name. And then take a picture of yourself with a webcam, insert it here. So I already took a picture of myself. Again, look at that tutorial, that YouTube link if you need help. But I'm going to go right here, insert image, upload from computer. Let's see where I saved it. Probably saved it in pictures. Miss Coleman selfie. So I'm going to open that up. And there we go. I have a lovely picture of me. So I'm going to scale that down. And now this is where I want to be creative. So there's tons of different things you can do in Google Drawings. And I'm going to show you a couple different things. So first off, actually, I'm going to just delete this text box. So I'm just going to highlight it, press delete, because I don't need that anymore because I already have my selfie. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to change the font because I'm not sure I want the standard Arial. I think I want some indie flower. And maybe I'll make it bold. Maybe I'll make it purple because I like the color purple. There we go. I could do some more stuff to that if I want. So for science interest, again, I can change whatever I want. Let's try cabin sketch. I think I just want science interest to be bolded and underlined. And then let's make that really big. So I'm going to make that size 30. And then maybe I'll even add a background to the text box. So I want that to be bright blue. Now for my picture, if I need to, I can crop it. So if I want just the headshot, then I can do that. And then I could also add a border to it. So if I want to say a pink border, a really thick pink border, I could do that. And then if I want, I could do the double tap or the right click on the background and see background, and then I can add a different color. Let's say I want this light blue right there. Or if I wanted to, I could go to Google and I could type in science background. I could then go to images, and I really like this one. So I'm going to again right click. I'm going to copy image. I'm going to go back here, right click, paste. Now you notice that it goes over everything, but if I right click on this and go to order, I can send that to the back and I can turn this picture into my background. I can just make it bigger, and again, I sent it to the back. Oop. I'll cut this part out with editing of me not realizing how this works. And then, all right, so there I have a cool background, but now I can't see this, and I want to make sure I can read everything, so maybe I'll add a background to this too. Maybe I'll have a yellow background for Vikings, Skull Vikes. Okay, and then I also want to add some extra stuff to it. So I might add another thing. So like I just said that I really like Vikings, so I could say, I love the Vikings. Skull Vikes. So I can add that to it and do whatever the heck I want with that. So I can make that maybe the opposite of that one. Let's go Century Gothic. And I could add a background to that one. Make bold. I could even go over here and I could center it and center it. So I add another little thing about myself. And then also maybe I really like astronomy. So let me go over here. Let's go astronomy. And oh, if these aren't cool pictures. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna copy paste this one in here too. Because that's a really pretty picture. Let's see, what else do I like? What are my other interests? Yeah, I really like cards. I love to play cards and I love board games. So maybe I'll take a picture of playing cards and put that on here as well. Let's see, what else do I really like? Let's see. I really like coffee and books. Oh, not cooks. Oh, I like cooks too. Coffee and books. Ooh, that's a nice picture. I like that one. So I'm gonna copy that one. I'm gonna put that one over here. And then if I wanted to add any other interests, again, if I want this behind, or maybe I just want this one in front, I can right click, go to order, bring to front, so that it's overlapping that way. Other things you can do here, so you can insert shapes. So like if you just really want a nice smiley face, you could add a smiley face, change the background to that classic yellow. You could add some word art. So if you'd rather have your name be word art, so I could go Miss Coleman, and I can use this instead. And for this one, just like the other one, you can change everything. So if I want caveat, there we go. And I could get rid of that and just have Miss Coleman. There are tons of different things, so mess around, see what you can find, add more text boxes about things you like. And then after you're done with this, you're going to take a screenshot of it. So look at the next little tutorial for a brief little thing of how to take a screenshot. Okay, bye.